Hello everyone. Today let's know whether non-executive directors can be held liable in check bounce case. In the case of Sushila Padmavati Amma versus Messrs Bharti Airtel Limited, the Supreme Court held that the director of the company could not be held liable for the dishonor of the check if the complainant failed to prove the involvement of the director in the day-to-day affairs of the company. The Honorable Supreme Court reversed the High Court order which had refused to quash the pending proceedings under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act against the director of the company. In this case, the complainant registered a complaint under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act against the director on the note that she was holding the position of the director of the company. However, the complainant had not made any averment to prove as to how the director is held responsible for managing the day-to-day affairs of the company. The court held that simply because a person is a director of the company, it does not necessarily mean that he or she fulfills the twin requirement of Section 34, subsection 1 of the said Act so as to make him liable. It has been held that a person cannot be made liable unless at the material time he was in charge of and was also responsible to the company for the conduct of the business. Further, the court found that the averments made were not sufficient to invoke the provisions of Section 141 of the Negotiable Instrument Act against the director, as the complainant failed to show as to how and in what manner the director was responsible for the conduct of the business of the company when the check was dishonored. The Honorable Supreme Court quashed the pending proceedings against the accused. Thus, the proceedings initiated in cases filed under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act should only implicate signatories of the dishonored check along with the managing directors or other members of the company who were actively involved in the business and functioning of the defaulting company. If you found this video informative, do share this video to others. And for more legal updates, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.